Do you think you're too old to learn something new or start exercising? Think again. Meet JOHANNA QUAAS, the world's oldest gymnast. At 96 years old, she continues to defy age-related stereotypes with her incredible physical ability and positive attitude. In this video, we'll explore JOHANNA's secrets to longevity and fitness and show you what you can learn from her, no matter your age or physical abilities. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel to get more health tips and tricks. We're dedicated to helping people of advanced ages prioritize their health and well-being, and we want to share our knowledge with as many people as possible. So hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and join our community of health enthusiasts today. There are secrets to longevity and fitness that older people can learn from JOHANNA QUAAS, the world's oldest gymnast. Despite being in her 90s, JOHANNA remains an active and dedicated athlete, regularly performing gymnastics routines and inspiring people around the world to prioritize their health and well-being, no matter their age. But before we go on, here's exciting news. We're giving away a Samsung Galaxy Fit 2 fitness tracker to one lucky viewer who comments below with the secret message we reveal in this video. That's right, you can track your own fitness journey just like JOHANNA QUAAS and take your health and well-being to the next level. So make sure you watch this video till the end and listen carefully to our breakdown of JOHANNA's 5 secrets to longevity and fitness. Then, comment below with the secret message and you'll be entered for a chance to win your very own fitness tracker. Now let's dive in. Here are the secrets JOHANNA QUAAS has used to live and maintain an incredibly healthy and fit lifestyle. Number 1. Regular exercise. One of the keys to JOHANNA QUAAS's longevity and fitness is regular exercise. She has maintained an active lifestyle throughout her life and continues to exercise regularly. Regular exercise can help improve our strength, balance, and flexibility, which can reduce the risk of falls and promote independence. She also explained that exercising regularly can also improve your mood and reduce your risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and diabetes osteoporosis. If you're new to exercise, start small and gradually increase the amount of activity you do. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week, such as walking, swimming, or yoga. Remember, it's never too late to start exercising, and every little bit counts. Number 2. Balanced diet. A balanced diet is essential for overall health and well-being, especially as we age.